Alright, this is building 14. So we've got a double Y straight at us when we run the camera in here. So you can see that green hose. We've got our Warthog jetter head already in here. And what we can do is we can bend that hose right and left to go to either side of the building. So I think on this one, when I get done cleaning it, I'll tie a piece of fishing line to the camera and we'll go in there left and right and take a look at it. So the clean out is just to the right of unit 1403. Alright, so we just fished up into the left side of that double Y so we can inspect this line. I'm going to cut my fishing line off. Bear with me 1 second. So we used a piece of fishing line so we could turn the camera. So you can see again where that Warthog nozzle is coming through here and scrub this line. So we're going towards, they're facing the building. There's no end clean out on the left side of the building. So we're going in the clean out next to 1403 and going towards 1401 to make sure that we got this line nice and clean. And then we'll have to do the right hand side of the building after we make sure this is all nice and clean. Yep, there's it's capped. There's no clean out like we thought. We didn't see one. So that string you're going to see, that's just going to be my fishing line. I'm going to pull out of there. So building 14, that's the left-hand side. And we'll have to pull back out now, and then we'll have to finagle in and get over to the right hand side. Oh, this is beautiful. Came out really clean. So we're back at our double Y. See how we just went to the left there? Alright, so we got our jetter over on the right hand side now. You can see that double Y. And this one does have a end of the line clean out. So we can get a little idea of what the pipe looks like. See how we just kind of went straight right there? So we have to finagle that to get it to go to that right hand side like we want it to. So there is an end of the line clean out there. So after we get done cleaning it, I'll run the camera through the end of the line clean out and we'll make sure we got all the spots and it's nice and clean. So this is building 14 and this is the right side. Alright, so this is the right side of building 14. We had to come over and go through an end of the line clean out and you'll see where we end up at that double Y. We want to make sure we got all of our debris out of here. So we're starting all the way at the right side of the building and we're going towards the center of the building. So our first unit tie in there. Our next unit tie-in. So all the debris is gone, no grease, no wipes, no toilet paper. You can see where the heads come through here and clean this guy. Looks like that's where we had some debris and it's all been cleaned up. So here's that double Y. And this is the clean out we've been going through. I already cleaned from here to the clay. That's as far as we're going to be able to go. Everything looks clean. Looks good. So again, this was building 14, and this is the right side. This video is getting pretty long, so since I've already videoed it, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. We've shown that all of building 14 is now clean. It looks really good.